well, taking as this plane I've just saw come in though. Obviously that plane I've not seen before. As you can see, that was the same make as we have seen on the Ryanair before though. So as you can see, that was TUI flight. That was obviously, this is one of the ex Thomson, that's one of the ex Thomson flight, that is. So yeah, obviously, because this is one of the ex Thomson airline, because this is one that used to be based somewhere else apparently, but you know. So as you can see, it's just that airline I've just seen today, which this is the TUI flight, that is. Which, as you can see, the registration is G-TUKO, that is. As you can see, the make is the Boeing 737-800, that is. As you can see, that's the call sign there, TOM1PK, that is. So as you can see, there's just this airline here I've just seen. So as you can see, well, just from here, it's literally just flown where we just first saw it. It was literally at 25,000 feet from here. Obviously, because it looks like it's going over to approach over to Exeter Airport by the looks of it. I think this is where the TUI is going anyway. There he is. This one here, this is the TUI Airways, it's called. Especially with the BY6463, that is. That's the flight number of this one. As you can see, the flight number is BY6463, that is. No, that is one of the ex-Thomson airline, that used to be the ex-Thomson airline, but it's not anymore now because it's called the TIU flight. So as you can see, this is coming from Lanzarote and then it's going into Exeter Airport, which looks like it's heading off over to Exeter Airport by the looks of it. It's now passing over there. Now just going for approach of Exeter Airport by the looks of it. So yeah, this is where it's probably now approaching over to. Just now approaching over to Exeter Airport. So yeah, which is in Devon. So yeah, this is where it's now heading off to by the looks of it. Just heading off to where it's going to by the looks of it, Exeter Airport in Devon. So yeah, it's the first time I caught one of these actually, though, the TIU flight airline. So yeah, obviously this is coming from Lanzarote to Exeter Airport. This is where it's heading off from apparently. Okay, so yep, thanks for watching, bye bye.